My name is Volker. I'm a supply chain manager at Herkula. Herkula is a producer of inks and coatings. For us, what was very attractive in Ambimization was that we didn't really have to change the way we were working. We were just going to change the cleaning agent because we already had a high pressure cleaning system before. We could just stick with that same process. So we already had, let's say, the infrastructure in place to operate this solution. And also, I ran through all the other options that we looked at, and there was really a big negative point on all of these. But with Ambimization, we didn't really see a negative in choosing this technology. It was certainly the most attractive one. It looked to us as the most trouble-free solution. Certainly something that many manufacturers will be worried about is a contamination risk. Where you think, okay, we have an unknown substance, where we never worked with this before. What's going to happen if, we have some residues left in the vessels and they end up in the production? But we did a lot of lab work to really look at this and analyze it and really disarm all of the criticism that was certainly present at that time. And what we also quickly saw, okay, first of all, coming from solvent, you're used to one cleaning agent that pretty much cleans everything. And then you wonder, okay, now there's no solvent, and we're not using MEK anymore. We're using some water-based cleaning agent. Is it really going to clean everything? And obviously, we ran extensive tests with support of Terrafend and also with support of the manufacturer of the cleaning machine. We quickly realized the cleaning results were very, very good and were comparable in most cases to solvent. Certainly we were able to disarm most of the arguments against choosing Ambimization. Obviously, it meant, okay, we had to change our installation because, one thing you have to keep in mind when you're cleaning with solvent, you clean at much lower pressure. Now with Ambimization, we clean at 150, 170 bar. Previously, we were at 20 bar, more or less. So you need to change your installation. This is a process for us. As I said, it was, or as also Jamie mentioned, it's pretty much a drop-in solution because you can. When your starting point is high pressure cleaning and you move to Ambimization, it's a pretty similar process, and it's certainly the onboarding process was less complicated than we expected, but overall, we were really happy with how that went. And if I look at the results, 9 years later, not 9 months, I'm sorry, 9 months later, really the outcome has been everything we were hoping for. In terms of, all of our vessels are now cleaned with Ambimization. We have a better working environment for our cleaning operators. Just walking into this area, you don't have the solvent vapors anymore. You have a healthier working, and there's no doubt that legislation will focus more and more in years down the road on these processes, on VOC emissions in general, and so you have to look at ways how you can make your coatings manufacturing business a cleaner operation. And the vessel cleaning is very often one of the processes within your operation, which is certainly an emittent of VOC, and where you can certainly improve